And welcome as we go ahead and take a look at how to use and navigate the different pieces of Schoology. Right now, of course, we are in summer, and so you can see there are no courses here in our course dashboard. However, if this was in the beginning of the school year and courses have been assigned, you will see, of course, a list of courses here. If you have more courses than the few they give you in the view, you can always click on My Courses. There'll be a little button here to get the full list. But what I want to start off is actually going into showing you how to build out some of your resources for the summer. So the first thing I want to show is going to Resources. And you can see I have a bunch of different folders already created here. But what you want to do is when you click on Resources, make sure you're in the Personal tab, because this means these are resources for you. There, of course, are other ones that you can do. So, for example, if you're working in a group, such as a PLC, you could build them here. But I'm going to focus here on the personal side. Once I'm here, I'm going to navigate over here to this little icon that looks almost like a collection with a green arrow. And what that's going to let me do is add a collection to build out my resources. So I'm going to add a collection, and I'm just going to call this, let's say, Test Collection. And you can name it whatever you want. I recommend naming it for whatever the name of your class is. So, for example, if this is Algebra 1, call it Algebra 1. If it's ELA 9, call it ELA 9, etc. Once you've created that, it's going to automatically add to the bottom. And I'm going to go ahead and rearrange this so that way it's in the order that I want. Now, I'm going to put this at the top just for easy finding for our demonstration purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this up near the top. And you, of course, can order those however you want. You can see I tend to put mine mostly alphabetical with more archived classes towards the bottom. Once I'm in the test collection, I can simply click on that by clicking on it. Now, I notice it did go back to the bottom because I didn't hit save, so that's a very important thing to note here. But I'm just going to go back up there, click save, and now it's at the top. Clicking on that collection allows me to go into that, so I can do the same thing here with any of my other collections. It allows me to navigate inside there. And once I click on that, I can then actually start work on building out my course.